Now, I want to talk to you about that same product that we're talking about because that is your reason for being in the market. So you cannot be in the market if you do not have a product. That is one fact I need you to understand. So in understanding your product and how it plays in the market, you have to know that you have two things. You understand? Two things to play with. Now, one of it is what we call the message. And the second one is the medium. If you study the chart, I dropped in the class, you will notice that there are three circles that are intertwined to form one dark spot that I call the sweet spot. Now, this sweet spot is actually the gold mine. But before you get there, you must understand the three circles. The three circles cannot operate on their own and give you any kind of success or wealth in business. So you need to understand that right now. Let me see if I can use this space. Now, you need to look at your delivery here, your product, which is the right solution. I don't like to call it product when it comes to this. The right solution, then your target market. I'm sorry, you need to see this very, very well. Now, your product, who is your product serving? Some people develop some products that are very fantastic, but they are the only lovers of their product. Because the truth is, nobody buys a product that would not serve him. So you ask yourself, my product, who exactly am I designing it for? Am I crafting it for? Who are my target audience? Now, for you to know that, you ask yourself, if actually my product is the right solution for my target audience, then you need to look at it from this angle. What pains or what needs or what wants are my target audience suffering from? So the moment you understand that there is a pain in that market, or let me put it this way, there is a group of people who are undergoing a certain kind of pain. I call it pain because it's a need. When it's time for, as in when you have a need, it's pressing. And when your need is pressing, you look for solutions. And this is one thing that we need to understand each time we're designing a product for the market. If not, you'll design the best product in your own eyes, but you will not make sales. So you need to look at the product from the eyes of your target market. The end user of your product should determine how you design it. So what pain? Let me give you an analogy. Now, have you ever seen the advertisement of Alabukun on TV, on radio, in the newspapers? Alabukun is targeted towards a particular set of people in the communities, in the society, who do not need advertisement. The moment they feel any kind of headache, any kind of backache, any kind of feverish conditions, the first thing that comes to their mind is Alabukun. It was designed for them, and it works for them. So, aspirin, painkillers, compare them to vitamins. You will understand what I'm saying. Why customers rush some products and leave some other products unattended to? This is just a secret. If your product addresses my pain, I mentioned vitamins earlier. Vitamins are like the doctor will tell you, Ovi, get vitamin C, get vitamin A to boost your wellness, to boost. Yes, those things are very good. But the truth is, vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E are not needed immediately. Human beings don't see them as things they need on the spot. But the moment you have a slight headache, the moment you have a backache, the First, nobody needs to advertise aspirin to you. Nobody needs to advertise Alabuku or any other painkiller to you. So if you design a product that is like a painkiller for your target audience, no matter how big the market, no matter how small the market, no matter how many people are selling similar things, because I don't believe everybody can sell the same thing. No matter how many people are selling similar things, if you can tailor your product to meet the pains, the needs, and the wants of your target market, then you become the center of attraction. This is why some products sell, and this is why some other products do not sell. Do not be deceived. I've spoken to you right now about the right solution. It's not just about providing solutions. It's not just about providing products. It's not about providing sales. What do you call it now? It's providing products. It's about the right solutions. Now, once you understand the right solutions, I want to quickly rush this so that we can move to the other things that concern the internet. Now, once you get the right solution, now you must know that the right solutions must be for a particular group of people. Everybody cannot have headache at the same time. You understand? So you come to who are having headache. How many people, where do they live, what's their demography, how old they are, whatever information or data you need to gather about them, you need to do it. So the moment you get your product right, and you know where these guys are who need your product, then third circle talks about delivery. Quick delivery. Quote me. Quick delivery. It's not just about delivery, because the truth is, if you know how to deliver a very good product, which is right for your target audience, definitely there's someone somewhere who knows how to do this too. But whoever gets to the customer faster gets the business. And who gets the business gets the money. So the concept here is that you must do these three things. You must do these three things. Nobody is doing what you're doing. Forget that. I heard a comment in the breakfast class that there are a lot of people online. There's everywhere saturated. There's nobody to sell to any longer. That is not true. The internet is so vast. I told you at the beginning of this class that 3.5 billion people use the internet every year. We have not used 1% of it in Nigeria. So we need to understand that young entrepreneurs, young business owners, small-scale business owners need to understand that if you're taking a product to the internet, then you need to understand that your product must be the right product, because there are so many products online truly calling for people's attention. But the truth is, as many as they are, not all of them are getting the attention. So for you to get the attention, your product must serve your targets rightly. It must serve your target rightly. This is where the key is. Your product must serve the target rightly, and you must make sure that this right solution you have prepared for your customers, you make sure they see it. That is why, as a publicist, I'll tell you that visibility is key. Visibility is key. So when we tell people in the newspaper industry that come and advertise your business, what we are trying to tell you is that make your business visible to your target audience. Because no matter how sweet or how good this product may be, if it is not available for the target audience to see, they don't make the choice, they don't make the decision, you understand, to buy. And these two will now determine what you do with your delivery. Once you are able to have the right solution, know the target market, wow, you deliver it. And once you deliver it, now if you check the diagram, you notice that in the middle here, there's a dark spot. This spot is what we call the sweet spot. The sweet spot is the intercept, yes. among these three circles, the circles of the right solution, the right target market, the quick delivery system. So if you say you are into any kind of business and you have not built these three legs, then this business is not standing yet. It's not standing yet. So for you to crack the code of any business before you take it online, you have to make sure you know what the answers to these three questions. So cracking the code is not a big deal, but you need understanding, patience, and diligence to ask the right questions